Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to set this seat up for use with a lower weight newborn or even a preemie. The first thing you're going to notice is that the crotch buckle is, the strap is really long, and it's that way for a reason. Because when we use this wedge, we want to make sure that it's long enough to be properly positioned. So we're going to start with both wedges. We're going to make sure the black one is on the bottom, and we're just going to put this down in the carrier, make sure it's settled into the seat. And then we're going to take the fabric insert and we're going to put the crotch buckle through the same slot in the fabric as we are using in the carrier, which on this one is the closest to the child. And we're going to make sure that this flap here kind of creates a little seat for the child to sit on. And then we're going to go ahead and put the crotch buckle pad on. And then we can put our doll in the seat. Then we'll go ahead and harness the doll in. You can pull the slack out from around the hips. Now go ahead and lower the head support so that those harness straps are at or below the shoulders. And we're going to snug this up again. And then buckle our chest clip and make sure that that is armpit level. So this is how you set the seat up for a lower weight newborn or a preemie. Alright, so next I'm going to set this up for just an average newborn. We're still going to use both wedges. Setup is going to be same as before. We're going to go ahead and put the wedges down into the seat, make sure they're settled in. Put the fabric insert in again. And we're going to create that same seat here like we did before for the child to sit on. Put the crotch buckle pad on. And place our newborn doll in the seat. And we're going to lower the head support again to make sure that the harness straps are below the shoulders. Buckle the chest clip, make sure it's at armpit level. And that's what it's set up for, like an average size newborn. As the child continues to grow, we can keep customizing the fit of the seat simply by removing this top gray wedge. Go ahead and use the black one and we'll place it in the bottom of the carrier like we did before, making sure it's settled down into the carrier. And we'll put our fabric insert back in. This time we want to make sure that this flap here is actually sitting in front of this flap here. So we'll go ahead and put our crotch buckle on. Place our doll in the seat. Go ahead and snug up the straps around the hips. Take the slack out of the harness. We're going to go ahead and lower this head support to make sure that those harness straps are at or below the child's shoulders. We'll go ahead and tighten that up again. Buckle our chest clip. Make sure it's at armpit level. So this is how the seat looks when an older child is sitting in it, and you can continue to customize the seat as a child grows. And we'll just do that by removing that last wedge. So you take the black wedge out. You can continue to use the fabric insert for comfort. One thing we do need to do is we need to make sure that we J-route this crotch buckle strap to shorten it up. So that's pretty easy to do. You just feed that metal retainer clip up into the slot closest to the front of the seat. You can also J-route it the other way if you're using the front slot for the buckle strap. So that's what it looks like when it's shortened, and then we would just place our child in the seat, buckle them in, and then adjust the head support so the harness straps are at or below the shoulders. So that's how you can customize the fit of the LiteClik 30 XT and RXT as your child continues to grow.